Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'll be cooking a delicious dinner, and this one will be a silent cook video, so watch to the end. And welcome to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please tap the subscribe button for more. So I'm just giving you just a preview of what's for dinner today. We have some pig chatters, we have some chicken leg and thigh, and we're going to pair that with gungo, rice and peas, with some salad and fried plantain. But if you want to see more, please continue watching, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. Continue watching, guys. So here you have it, guys, dinner served, and this was two different plates of food because one person didn't eat pork. So hence we made the chicken, but dinner was very delicious. And a full video of that salad is on the channel already. So please go check that out. And thanks for watching, guys, and please just like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.